Hey everyone, welcome to Noor Telecom. Today we'll repair an iPhone 13 that has both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not working. When we checked the IMEI number, the last 3 digits were 620. This phone has some missing pins on the motherboard, so we'll fix those today. First, we'll power off the phone completely. Then we'll remove all the connectors and screws necessary to take out the motherboard. After that, we'll peel off all the stickers from the board. To separate the motherboard layers, we'll place it on the heating platform and turn it on. Once the board separates, we'll carefully lift it and place it under the microscope for inspection. Under the microscope, we'll check which pins are damaged and which ones are missing. Then we'll apply flux around the pin area and clean it using a Tadle tool. After cleaning, we'll wipe off the flux with cotton. Next, we'll use a thin needle-like tool to scrape and clean around the missing pin areas. Then apply a small amount of flux. Now we'll add new pins where they were missing and clean the area again with cotton to remove the extra flux. After that, we'll apply UV glue around the new pins. Dry it using a UV light. And once it's cured, we'll use a needle tool to clean off the extra glue carefully. Next, we'll place the lower part of the motherboard on the heating platform and apply flux around the pins. Then we'll position the upper layer on top and turn on the heating platform to join both layers. Once the layers are bonded properly, we'll remove the board, reassemble the phone, and power it on. Finally, after testing, we can see that both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are now working perfectly.